Hey guys, this is V and welcome to the channel. I am taking you around showing you some of the updates in my breakfast room. As you know, a few months ago I started to do my breakfast room, and from one thing to the other, I haven't fully gotten to it, but now it is finished. So I painted a room. Well, first I DIY my furniture. I hung the chandelier, and after hanging the chandelier, because I did not like the one that was there before, I realized that I had tape in the ceiling that was coming loose. So I went ahead and I painted it out. This is the way that the table looks now. I painted it with a champagne gold, and I also did inlaid painting on it. And this is the light fixture that was there before. And that's the way it looked, like a spaceship. So that's why it prompted me to go up in the ceiling, and I had to paint. This is what the medallion in the top looked like before. It was a three sprung. And this is the light fixture that is there now. I took this out from another room. This is the way my table looked before. And this is the way it looked now. This is distress mirror that I did. I have videos showing you how to distress mirror, regular glass, and regular mirror and distress it. So the table is not fully put together because I'm in the process of sanding and shellacking the table. So you're going to see, this is the piece that I was mimicking when I did it, where I have the blue tape on my piece of furniture on my table. It's actually mirrored right around, but because I'm putting the varnish on the table to seal it, the sealer actually, I do not want my mirror to get dirty up. So I'm showing you a riser that I made with marble. And what I'm going to do, I'm looking at my glass now and I'm like, girl, you could clean the windows before you put that back. And that's what I'm going to do. This is the buffet. That was a piece of office furniture that I turned into a buffet. I drew the hand drawn the design on the front, which, and I also mimic it on top of the piece of furniture here, and I also mimic it on the table, that design. I tried. So, but I like it. I really do like it. I end up refining it a little bit more, and this is the same application that I use on the table. If you want a video of how I did it, I just leave me a comment and I will show you how I did it. Like where you see in the blue tape going around the table, that is mirrored. Um, this, like I said, it was hand drawn with silver paint. And I also drew a design on the table. Sort of looked chalky because, like I told you, I was sanding the piece to put down the last layer of protective coating on it. So I am not considering, I do have to wash these windows, and I figure why not get it done now? So it'll be the next day, and it's so beautiful outside. Look at the greenery. So I let my windows down so I could go ahead and wash them. I already washed the screens already, and to just give the place like a fresh look. Like, for the next few more, however long, I wouldn't have to wash these windows again, like maybe next summer. So this is the light fixture. This is the way it looked. This is the table. In my next video of the breakfast room, I will have pictures of what it looked like before I took this furniture out of my formal. So the white you see in the ceiling, I had to go up there and add sheetrock putty. This chandelier here, I got it for $5. I was going to use that piece up there, but I eventually just changed my mind. And yeah, this is how I taped off, because I could not match the paint properly to just have another cohesive look. So that's what I end up doing, just taping around my surroundings to go ahead and paint it. So I purchased some curtains that I want to put in the space. It's a linen blend, and it was on sale for $22. $22 and change. I love the way that it looks. And I love that it has the gold and silver thread to it. Is 95 by, I can't remember, 98. So I bought 3 panels. Actually, one was $18.99, but they couldn't give me the rest for that price because they say it came in at different times. So I am going to take these off and wash them. But first, I'm going to show you how it look on the windows. Guys, do you wash all of your pillow covers or your curtains and stuff? To me, it smells when it comes in a package. It's not a nasty scent, but I want to get the factory off of it. So I always wash my linen or, even towels. I wash them before I use them. My Bed in a Bad blanket set, I like my own spin on stuff. So the next video you're going to see is me really showing you the room. So I also painted my sofa, the wood on my sofa. And I will show you in a video, show you how I reupholster and take this fabric off and do my own thing with this. Guys, if you like what I'm doing here, please like, subscribe, and share. I have a lot of DIY, a lot of content for you guys. And hit the notification that when I upload videos.